Dash cams are awesome. They're a great way to protect you, your family, your vehicle, and even capture some funny moments along the way. But if you install them wrong, they can become a headache, and it can be a little bit intimidating to install one.
So if you don't want to solder, Dongar's got you covered. They sent us these power adapters. They just plug in right into your OEM plug, and it will turn that power into USB power for your dash cam, your radar detector, anything else that is USB powered. And it's going to be a really clean install.
Because that was my rule. If we were going to have a dash cam, it couldn't look like trash, and it needed to be tucked away to make it look OEM and seamless.
We got 3 products from Dongar here today, but we're only going to focus on the Pro. All 3 of these will power your dash cameras, but only the Pro and Pro Plus have parking timers. We also have one that is, I would say, maybe you're going to use it for your radar detector, or if you don't care about parking modes. Chances are, if you ever install the dash cam, you're going to do it in 3 different ways. You're either going to plug it into the cigarette lighter, tap a fuse, or in our case, we soldered onto an original plug. But if you don't want to solder, you don't want to do any of that, Dongar is the way to go. This is why you want to get this. Come on in. The entire thing is just right here, and to plug it in, we have all these OEM plugs, and this is the one that we're going to be putting in. That's it. We are in our 2025 Toyota Tacoma. Luckily, Toyota has an OEM dashcam plug, even if you don't have the OEM dashcam with your build. So we've been using that plug to power our dash cameras. We really like the Viafo that we have, but to power it, yeah, we have to do some soldering. So let's show you where that plug is. This crazy mess here. It's really long because, you know, you're supposed to tap it to a fuse, but instead we soldered it onto this plug. So we're just going to take this down. We don't need this anymore. It came with our dash camera. We're going to replace it with the Dongar. Get rid of this. So the Dongar power adapter has ignition power only, infinity until your battery dies, or timed for 4 hours, so you could have your dash cam on a parking mode. So tell me, what looks better? This whole crazy long thing, which there was a reason for it if you're going to tap a fuse and that we have to solder this, or just get this Dongar. This is the plug that's going to the OEM, going into the adapter with switches on here for the different settings and ending in the USB-C. All of this tucks in nicely, or you could put it on the windshield, because if you do want to bounce between the different settings, it's easy to access. So just plugging it in to the OEM dash cam plug. We don't have anything else on the other end, so we're leaving that. I like that this thing has power after you shut off the vehicle for another 4 hours if you have it on timed mode, or continuous until your battery dies. The main thing is that, hey, we don't just want our dash cam running when we're driving. We like it on when it's parked. So this is something that will allow you to have that. Get that cool footage. Or, you know, if someone digging through your car, you'll know what happened. The hardest part about this install is just fishing the wire, and that's it. We have it on ignition, but I think we want it on 4 hours at least. Everything else, we already have our dash camera set up. Plug it in, plug this in. We should be good. We're gonna have to start the truck though. Yes, we got solid red light and the dash cam is on. Now when we turn it off, we have it on timed mode for 4 hours until the battery runs out. I'll hide this away. Put the cover back on. That's the easiest install. The hardest part is really just yanking this thing down, and then you just plug it in. So easy. We got other ones that we're going to try out, but for now, we just want to put this one on because we do care about parking mode. This one will give you your dash cam's power to be essentially parking mode, but it's actually like the full resolution of the camera. Now, certain dash cameras like our Viafo uses a different proprietary parking mode, which the Pro Plus will supply that power. So look out for that video.
Talk about the right tool for the job. Dongar makes it so easy to make your truck look good, keep it sleek, get that dash cam up and running without draining your battery. It's just a reliable unit that we wish we did right from the start.
Yeah, instead of having to buy a separate Toyota plug and then splice to that, solder to that. Yeah, just do it the easiest way. Get this thing, put it in, get your dash cam up and running, power it for parking mode.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for watching. More videos to come. We have a couple other Dongar products that we're so stoked to install. Please like and subscribe because we're trying to get to 10K subs by the end of 2026.
And with your help, we can make it there. So yes, we can.